So my project for Major Project 1 is about discouraging cheating in fully online developmental mathematics courses without the use of electronic proctoring. So developmental mathematics courses are defined by the Mathematics Association of America to be anything below calculus. Electronic proctoring has been a popular tool in online courses lately because of the shift to remote learning. However, they have been used for quite some time in many online courses that involve testing, and mathematicians love their tests. Um, the mathematics education community has been very resistant to move away from testing and quizzing uh, in favor of alternative assessment methods. They just don't lend themselves nicely to mathematics the way that they would to other disciplines. For instance, it would be difficult for an instructor to gauge a student's mastery of being able to perform operations on fractions by having the student write a blog post about how they feel about operating on fractions. However, if we were to embrace using testing and quizzes in mathematics courses, is there a way that we can do that and have it be secure enough to protect the institution, the integrity of the institution, and discourage cheating in the classes without having to use electronic proctoring, which many students feel is an invasion of privacy, and studies have shown that electronic proctoring services unfairly flag people of color, people with disabilities, and people with low income statuses. And so my project highlighted three common sources of cheating and ways to deter that through alternative test design strategies and grading schemes that have been used for mastery approaches to mathematics since the late 1970s, as well as tools developed for the Emporium approach to mathematics that has been up and coming since the year 2000. And I believe that we can indeed create an environment that is secure and fair for all students in online mathematics courses without the use of electronic proctoring. Thank you.